So we made it to Lauterbrunnen, and this is the first waterfall that we're seeing. It's more like ice and snowfall, as it's so cold. You can see by the way it's flowing down that it's like the mist is very like icy. Floor is frozen. Yeah, it's unfortunately it's closed for the winter, is what that sign said. But if you go through that gate, you can go up those stairs. It goes all the way around, and I guess there's a viewing area over there. And let's get a view. And then behind us over here is a cemetery. So dark. Let's see if I can turn the flash on. Here we go. Got me a flash. This is the cemetery over here. So this is called, let's see. Tourism, Lauterbrunnen, Willkommen, I'm Talder Wasserfall. Okay, so it says tourists, it's the Lauterbrunnen tourist welcomes you. This is called the Talder Waterfall. I'm tall. See, that's me. I'm tall. This is their waterfall. They made it special for me.
You walk through the cemetery?
Yeah, here, cemetery right here. I wonder how old it is. It's probably very old. It's probably very, very old. Oh, look, they got little lights and everything. I wonder if there's names on it. Oh yeah, look, it says 1998, 1910 through 1998. Hans Muhleman.
That's very new, but
Yeah, it's pretty new.
oh,
1998. Yeah, people come here and
1907.
put candles, yeah. 1907 to 1998.
Okay.
Yeah, they lived a long life.
Yeah.
It's all snowy
Yeah,
and
place,
yeah. Well, may they all rest in peace.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll show more.